maba wa wunya nware. What do you fa wakoma makrama? We read about the rest of your life. Kwasi afa wa de ya o ware jimi fo obebre. I'm telling you. Because in every relationship there are boundaries. Always quickly draw the boundaries and let people remain at the back of the don't let them cross the boundaries. And at the end of the day, we be no say then I'm a man growth we quite more mobile life. Yeah. There is something about great leaders beginning from Jesus. All the time he teaches his people. We are teaching people all the time. All the time, all the time, all the time. There is teaching going on. Every time. Bring your scripture back. The last one we read. Let me pick it from there. Take it to my language. Maybe let me push it in as it is. The Bible says, Monfa de kronkro Nkraman. Mon to mangene pa engum preko o de mo amienu na eyem fato. Kraman bema ena ma no ohunu kraman ba number 1 onene nam fefefe kosi so mo be hu kraman ba number 2 onya hunu kraman ba number 2 pe kraman bema na be sen free number 1 echi no di number 2 echi it yesu e di nipa to kraman ho what do you check it demo haye wo obi an check na yen check Nkraman wa no yen check. Stop it. Be real to yourself. Would you say obi okuta Bible na ni abre pa osura hini mu ku di agro Nkraman wa dogs wa penokre enti na wonya hunu nyame anu onyam ade bi ono ye be ni mi atepe wo ye Nkraman ya no ayi ato no abefa nwa nwoma na fra. You can be translated from Nkraman to Udwan. Unimwa. Oh. Sana maya na gospel musicians be breko ware Nkraman and wo ma say wo mu fi. I say wo mu gift wo mu ministry wo mu calling. Sa. Yeah, obi one more tenancy this sister wo wadom me ware na say no. Wunya unu Jezebel man wo. You haven't seen the Jezebelic elements. Oyere beho.